Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have an Xpress first aid, and it's like the letter Xpress first aid kit, and it's a 125 piece first aid kit. You probably know what most of these things are already. I'm not sure how I'm going to open this without scissors, but it's got a little zip tie on it. So let me open this up. This is so bad for my teeth, but whatever. I got it open. And let's see what's inside. So here we go. First look. So there we go. So we have a instant cold pack, single use only. Not sure how this is gonna work. Let's see. The shake contents, locate in our pouch. Oh, inside of it, there's a pouch inside that you break, and then it mixes the two different chemicals together and makes it cold. So that's kind of nice. And I got this to keep on my boat, and it's got a whole bunch of Band-Aids. You can see here, there's just tons of Band-Aids, so that's kind of nice. Different sizes, it's got the big ones. So this is a 125 piece, probably 75 Band-Aids. And then there's more here. It's got some Knuckle bandages even, so it's kind of nice there. Those are nice. Here it's got a bunch of little sting relief pads and antiseptic pads, so you can see those things. It's got antiseptic towelettes, tongue depressors. It's even got a glove and some tape, and I'm guessing this other things are like the antiseptic cream. Yeah. Neomycin antibiotic ointment, it's got it in there. And then back here we have Q-tips and instructions, a big gauze pad, well, bigger than the Band-Aid at least. And then actually there are some bigger gauze pads here, so this side. So that looks like what it's got in there. It's got a nice little thing. I'll be able to keep this on the boat, so if somebody gets a cut or something like that, or pinches their finger, at least it's something to do until we get back to shore. I mean, it doesn't have any, I'm not gonna be able to just jumpstart a heart or something with it, but I'll be able to keep it on there, and it'll help with some of the small things, so it's better than nothing. And it was pretty inexpensive and easy from Amazon. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews as I get more stuff too. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.